How to have a successful channel on YouTube. I mean, I don't have a successful channel. Or do I? So how easy is it to be a successful YouTuber? Well, imagine if YouTube is like trying to start this 50-year-old engine. You try, and when it fails, you want to give up. And then you try again, and it fails, and you want to give up. And then you try harder, you put more effort into it, you do as much as you can, and then all of a sudden, it might work. Yeah. And I know a lot of YouTubers who have low sub counts that are putting out pretty amazing content. But the truth is, it takes a lot of patience and persistence. Let's just take a trip down memory lane. Hold on. Hi, Emma.
Hi.
All right, let's take a trip down memory lane. Welcome to my video blog. This is Danny Black. I started vlogging 7 years ago. I thought it was a cool concept, but the amount of time and effort I put into the videos just didn't really make it worth it, only getting about 5 views. And it even goes earlier than that, back to 2001. I've been vlogging for a while. Driving the Jeep right now. Yeah. Well, little did I know that that was just a stepping point. You just keep making YouTube content and some videos will hit. But most likely, a lot of your videos will just hide away in the abyss of all of the noise of YouTube, never to be seen. Well, I think that the real lesson here isn't that you aren't growing on YouTube, but that YouTube is actually growing you. Like, think of all the skills that you get and all the opportunities that you can have and adventures and even the amazing people that you meet along the way. Alright, that was awesome. Got some drone footage live on YouTube. So the sun is setting, so we probably should head back down. I'll finish the rest of the point of this in a second. Ready? So making videos on YouTube isn't about being the best YouTuber. It's about being the best you. And that sounds really cheesy, but it's true. I mean, get the skills, go on all the adventures, make the friends, and share it with the world. And if the world doesn't appreciate that hard work, I guarantee in 5 years, you're gonna appreciate the hard work. Whoa, by the way, I'm on cruise ships again. So get ready for some awesome content coming out really soon. It's like starting this 50-year-old motorhome. Sometimes you try and it doesn't work. Oh, that was easy. I mean, I guess that could be the same YouTube analogy as well. I mean, sometimes you could just start at one time, you make a video and you get popular really quickly. So hit the subscribe button and click that little bell right next to it. And check out this video, it needs a lot more attention.